There's something that's been on my mind recently. It's the age-old question of if no one's around to hear a tree fall, does it make sound? And oftentimes I think it's nonsensical because from our past experiences, we can infer that it should make a sound. But somehow I think it holds so much more meaning than that. Like, what if we were there to experience the tree fall, but what if I was deaf? I would I would think that the sound would mean nothing and I really wouldn't understand. So I wonder what kinds of worlds am I deaf to? I mean, sometimes I wouldn't give things a second thought because I would think it's nonsense. But what if the tree was us and no one was around to experience us happy? Were we ever happy? I mean, I would say yes. But to anyone else, they really wouldn't know. I suppose what I'm trying to say is that I'm glad to be a witness and be witnessed by a group of wholesome friends. I figured documenting our experience together would lead to more clarity in each other's worlds. And I suppose it does. But there's so much more that I don't know. So, thank you for being part of my life. And in other words, it makes me excited for what's next. Alright, well, I love you guys. Take care now.